Hey everyone, before we get started, I just wanted to thank 3D Maker Pro for sending over the Moose 3D scanner, which I have been testing as a complete beginner to 3D scanning, and honestly, it surprised me. This was my first time ever using a 3D scanner, and I expected it to be a nightmare of a calibration and technical fidgeting. But the setup was actually super straightforward. I did get one error of the lights blinking right off the bat, but I ended up fixing that by simply unplugging and replugging the USB back into it, which seemed to have fixed the issue. So if that happens to you, that's a quick fix. Naturally, I wanted to push it a bit, so I started scanning a 3D printed puppy. Now, anyone who has scanned before will tell you that shiny, single color surfaces are a pain, but the Moose held up well. The platform that comes with it seems to help the scanner find reference points, and once I realized the little bar on the left in the software was a distance guide, not just decoration, I managed to get the right positioning. Once I set up the scanner on the tripod, let the puppy spin on the turntable, and boom, decent mesh. For the texture, I am not sure it was amazing because again of the shine, but as a first result I was pretty impressed. Next up I tried something trickier. A figurine of Geralt from The Witcher. Bigger, more detail, still within a recommended scan range of 15mm to 1500mm. At first I thought I could not get a full scan just using the tripod, but thankfully the Moose supports handheld scanning too, so I ditched the tripod and started scanning whilst the platform was rotating. Full 360 coverage, multiple angles, pretty satisfying results. The sword on Geralt's back sadly did not survive the process, and the face texture was a bit soft, but for someone with shaky hands and zero experience, I still think it came out pretty well. Performance-wise, it was fine. The platform felt stable, and even though I worried the figurine might slip during the rotation, it held firm. Also, quick note, the build quality really solid. The scanner itself feels like a premium device, good weight, nice case, and a solid tripod. So overall, as someone totally new to 3D scanning, the Moose by 3D Maker Pro was a great intro. I am already thinking about how I can use this capturing for props, statues, or even stylized environment details for my own projects. If you are curious or want to check it out yourself, I will drop a link in the description below. Thanks again for the 3D Maker Pro for sponsoring this one, and happy modeling everyone!